That's the setup for the freezing rain threat, again, north of the Quad Cities as we go into this evening. Let's go into Future Track, and I'll show you how all this works out hour by hour for the freezing rain potential this evening. So the afternoon is quiet. Once we reach about that 4 or 5 o'clock time frame this evening, you'll start to see some of those rain showers develop. And you can see there are quite a few of them starting to arrive from the northwest. Now, initially, yes, this could mix with some wet snowflakes up along Highway 20, but eventually it all becomes rain. And it stays rain again here, Quad Cities points to the south. But still, even 7 o'clock this evening, there will likely be a layer, the ground here, in this region where we're going to see temperatures below freezing. That pavement is still going to be cold, and that will allow some of that ice to accumulate, a little light glaze there. Now, this will come to an end about 8 o'clock or so. And what we'll be tracking for tomorrow morning, which requires yet another weather impact alert, is what you're seeing right there. These are a couple of what we call heavier snow showers or snow squalls, and there's a couple more right back up here. These have the potential to not only enhance the gusty winds coming in late tonight, but they also have the potential to drop a very quick half-inch amount of snow, reducing visibility during the morning commute tomorrow. That's these items that you're seeing right here, these snow showers at about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Those will enhance the wind gusts, potentially pushing them beyond 45 miles an hour. And if you get caught under one of these heavier snow showers, the visibility is going to quickly deteriorate. So you're talking slick roads, low visibility, and very strong winds for the morning commute tomorrow. That requires yet another weather impact alert. So now we've got 2 of them down. Now, once we get past that tomorrow morning, there's nothing else going on other than some gusty winds throughout the remainder of tomorrow afternoon. So let me give you the whole timeline of how everything's going to work down here, or break down. And Alec, if you can drop the bug there in the corner. I apologize that the graphic is big, but I don't want to make this graphic any smaller because if I do that, it's going to be hard to read. So let's start off again with the first one coming in this evening. That is for the freezing rain as we go to the north of the Quad Cities. For the rest of us, it's just rain. As we go into later tonight, early tomorrow morning, thank you, Alec, for doing that. Early tomorrow morning, it's the strong wind gusts, again, that will potentially exceed 45 miles an hour, and then those snow showers that could become snow squalls. And by snow squall, I mean a very heavy band, quick-hitting band of snow that makes for messy roads and very low visibility through the morning commute tomorrow. Then we get rid of that weather impact alert. We just have some gusty winds for Wednesday afternoon. And throughout the afternoon, those winds will be decreasing. We're still going to see 30-plus mile per hour gusts, but the opportunity for 50-plus mile per hour gusts is limited to just the early morning hours. So lighter winds as we go into the afternoon. We're going to continue to see a break into Thursday morning. So nothing going on here, very quiet. But once we get to Thursday evening, through Thursday night into Friday morning, we're talking about another round of snow coming in. Now, this is not going to be heavy snow. Early estimates right now, perhaps 1 inch to 2 inches of snow. The problem is this is coming in right before the morning commute on Friday. So that means we're going to have some messy road conditions likely to deal with on Friday morning. So we have another weather impact alert in place for that potential. Then Friday afternoon, you guessed it, we're going to catch another little break. And then right on the heels of this storm system comes a more potent and a more stronger storm system for Saturday. That will bring snow starting as early as later Saturday morning, continuing through much of the afternoon and the evening. Yes, there is the potential that we could see several inches of snow. Imagine that, Saturday, snow again for that system on Saturday. So we have a weather impact alert in place for Saturday for the snow potential. Then that weather impact alert will continue Saturday night and throughout much of the day on Sunday because of this right here. Very low wind chill values are expected. How low are those wind chills going to go Saturday evening through much of Sunday? We're talking as cold as 20 to 30 degrees below zero.